Morning, beautiful people. How are you doing today? I hope you all are doing good, and I'm also doing good as well. So, oh wow, what a fascinating nature is. Oh wow, what a fascinating weather is. What a wonderful weather is. Oh wow, the sun is screening very high. यू नो वट रोज़ाना की तरह मैं आ गया हूँ आज मॉर्निंग वॉक पे, और मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना इस पर एक वीडियो बनाया जाए और लोगों के सामने शेयर किया जाए। और यू नो वट देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ बेनिफिट टू डूइंग मॉर्निंग वॉक, एक्सरसाइज एंड सम जॉगिंग्स एवरी डे। मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना लोगों को इसके प्रति जागरूक किया जाए। यू नो वट वन बेनिफिट ऑफ walking each and every day, you will feel completely energetic each and every day. you know what the thing is that I want to express it reduces the symptoms of anxiety, stress, depression, um, and so many things overall chronic diseases as well. So chronic diseases वो होती है चाहे जितनी भी दवाइयाँ सुई इलाज हमने करवा लिया हो, वो बीमारी ख़त्म नहीं हो रही है। बट अगर आप डेली रूटीन में अपने जॉगिंग, एक्सरसाइजिंग और सब मॉर्निंग वॉक इंक्लूड करते हैं तो डेफिनेटली ये भी रिस्क जो है धीरे धीरे रिड्यूस होने लगती है, कम होने लगती है। सो द थिंग इज़ दैट आई वांट टू एक्सप्रेस morning walk is a very great way to burn your calories. So the thing is that you can see here, there are so many people and each and every day walking and doing their joggings and some exercises. The people who can, the people who is habituated to morning walk each and every day, they can very fit. They can also really feel very energetic themselves. So there are most of thing to having a morning walk each and every day. So I just want to express you there are lots of benefits and there are lots of usual thing for a morning walk each and every day. So the thing is that you must have observed those who are habituated of regular morning walk has a very good skin texture and a natural glow on skin. Actually, this is the magic of a morning walk. Exercises itself. It rejuvenates your skin, making it look younger and flawless. Not only the rays of before 8 a.m. acts as a natural beauty of it gains your vitamin D and so many things overall, my dear friends. So you know what, one benefit of walking morning walk each and every day, it can opening from exercise. That people who can do it each and every day, they can reduce your walking and catching a cold or flu and so many sick. So the ability to perform walk, you can boost your energy level and you can grow up your stamina. Stamina means the morning capacity of a heart and lungs. It makes your muscle fit and energetic. In the morning time you can gain the fresh oxygen. You can get the fresh oxygen from these thing of you can gain, it reduces every cell of your body get charged, and that is the best start of morning. You must have observed those who are habituated of regular morning walk has a very good skin texture. Yes, obviously, my friends. So you can never know how can I express these things of so many benefits of morning walk each and every day. In the fresh oxygen, it's just rejuvenate our skin texture. It's our glow skin. The sunlight, In the morning time, the sunlight has a very, you know, so many radicals from your body catch up. Yes, my dear friends. So it's my total included of time. This is a morning walk each and every day. Thank you so much. We will meet you the next adventure. Bye bye. Have a good day, friends.